So in this video we are going to learn how to add channel art in your YouTube channel. So let's do it. First we have to go to YouTube from Google, then we have to click on your account, then you have to click on your channel. A page will appear where we have to click on customize channel. After clicking on customize channel, there will be edit option. You click there and two option will come. Click on edit channel art. After clicking on edit channel art, page will appear, then select a photo from your computer. We have to click on there. After clicking, you have to select a picture from desktop. Let me select a picture. I will select a picture according to you. Select your picture, then click on open. It will take a few time for uploading. After uploading, we should also keep in mind that size should be 2560 into 1440. So let it upload. So there will be a message that picture size is too small. So what should we do in this case? So we have to open Photoshop in your computer. Let it open, then click on file new. Then what should be the width? So we should keep in mind that the width should be 2560 and the height should be 1440. Then let me show it again. So this was a message from desktop YouTube. After clicking, the resolution should be 300, then click on create. After creating a page, you should drag a picture from your desktop. Let me select a picture. Just select a picture and bring it to the Photoshop page. As it appears, you can also resize it according to you, but I will keep it same and we'll save it as a PNG file. Click on place. So you should always keep in mind the file should be saved in PNG file, because we will select the same picture for editing the channel art. Click on PNG file, then click on save. We'll save in desktop. After saving it, we'll open, click on OK, and I will open again. Let's do the same thing. After clicking here, we'll select that same photo which I have saved in desktop. After selecting the picture, press open. It will take again a few seconds to upload. Now this time there will be no problem to upload. After this, a page will open with a 3 screen: TV, desktop and mobile. So you can see it will look like this when you open your mobile, TV or desktop. You can adjust the crop also by selecting, click on adjust crop. Let me click it. See, you can resize this according to you, but I will keep the same thing. Then again select the picture. You can click there and keep the same picture whatever you want. After clicking on it, then we have to click on save option. After clicking on save option, it will successfully upload that edit channel art picture. You can open your mobile and see desktop. So please do mention in the comment section if you are facing any problem or if you need any other videos. Before that, please do subscribe and like our videos and press the bell option down below there.